Oh damn! This is called जुगाड़. Oh god! What? ये गलती हुआ कैसे?
So I had this one client.
We'll be reacting today to some.
Construction fails.
Let's get started. So, what do you think the architect or the contractor was thinking over here?
I'm sure he didn't realize there was even a door. Manab, it's like a surprise, you know. I keep the things inside the locker and tada, I open and
No, but see, the thing
Dead
is,
end.
the thing is, the brickwork is so clean. It almost seems intentional. Why would someone put a construction like that?
maybe he just doesn't want somebody to exit. Get locked.
This is one of the best ways to do lockdown.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow!
Staircase to heaven. I don't even think you can climb the third step or fourth step.
I'm wondering what the contractor or the architect or whoever made this was thinking. Contractor must have been like extra material पड़ला इसलिए कहीं ना कहीं तो दिखाना पड़ेगा ना खर्चा.
I think the contractor must have just finished the slab, upper slab. फिर याद आया होगा staircase भी डालना है, so he must have just put a staircase.
Or probably what would have happened is he was supposed to have given the opening here, and he must have changed north to south or east to west or something like that.
Possible.
Oh damn! I can only imagine. You've seen how I open the door, right? I just go for it. Imagine someone walking up, just gone. Why would anyone do this? Like, save space saving?
Yeah, pretty much. But
Yeah, you save.
you're telling somebody walking up. I'm thinking, what if in excitement you open the door and you want to go out? I mean, you're just going to slide down the stairs like voila, one roller coaster.
So this is the this is the ingenuity that he saved 4 square feet of space. Very valuable in Mumbai.
Too much. One landing space.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Tons, lakhs of money saved.
Yeah, lakhs. No, some areas are there, right? Crores of money saved, I'm sure.
Pakka.
So this is what happens when you have way too much urbanization. What do we have next? Oh,
I'm guessing कितना पैसा दिया होगा. How much would he have paid for this seat?
the guy is so happy also. He's like,
Match must definitely be boring. Varna he wouldn't look so happy looking at a pillar.
and I'm 100% sure that he would have paid a discount for that seat. Special price, special offer. This is what happens when you have way too many coupon codes. Oh damn.
Okay, so I'll tell you how I'm going to access this. सीधा चलो, फिर टुक go sideways.
When you tell your contractor or architect that I want to use every large square inch of space, this is the genuine jugaad design which you will get. I'm thinking what would happen when there's luggage. Like, they'll have to...
नहीं, सिर पे उठाओ.
You know Ross ka pivot scene from Friends. It would be very good for this.
The door to I don't know नीचे क्या होता है?
एक और छोटा सा चीज, although it wouldn't matter, but यहाँ पे if you see, the door doesn't have a knob, so at least the guy was clever कि knob उड़ा दिया है, block कर दिया होगा door को.
नहीं, फिर भी सोचो, dive करते हो ना swimming pool में, you want to dive into a swimming pool. Here I am thinking he's put a green carpet, like green plants and all. Dive into the plants, get all the fresh air.
Oh god.
This is real space saving.
I know, I mean basin and commode in one place. And
How? I don't know. No matter how much I squeeze, I will not get in.
I'll actually maintain good posture, to poop. It'll put pressure on your abdomen.
No, seriously, you can't even sit cross. You'll have to literally be some very gymnastic person, full folding and curving.
This is what happens when you tell your plumber that बस मेरे पास 30 स्क्वायर फीट है बाथरूम के लिए, पूरा उसी में 10 स्क्वायर फीट है बाथरूम के लिए, पूरा उसी में फिट कर दे. I wonder where the shower is. I think the photo doesn't have it, but I think shower भी इसके ऊपर ही.
Yeah, it'll be right above.
Yeah.
Oh, so I think I'm the person living above and I want to tell you a hi, and I come out to the balcony. Yeah, there is a balcony. How do you greet me?
So what I am trying to figure out is how they actually made that balcony. So how was it accessible?
No, so they must have done it the same way as the above one.
Huh.
But नीचे आते आते so they must have thought, let's just close it down. I mean, the view may not be good opposite, so just close it down. And let's just have that balcony for what? Kabutar, pigeon, parrot, crow.
Oh, this is a danger waiting to happen. My God.
So I had this one client for whom from the sink I had given about 3 feet away the electrical point on the wall, and he was still concerned कि मेरे को shock लग जाएगा. I think वो ये देखेगा तो पक्का heart attack आ जाएगा उसको.
Where does the water go? I think the water goes into the electric.
I think we won't have time to even see that. This is real following of architecture drawings that are given, like dot to dot, square to square, inch to inch. No
Oh my God.
difference from the drawing to the actual execution.
Good job, the contractor. Contractor has done very good job.
Skilled contractor. So
This is supposed to be wheelchair accessibility, right?
yeah, but I think what they were trying to do is
Create that, Wonderla slide.
हाँ,
Zoop.
exactly,
Every
exactly.
day, someone coming from a wheelchair will just zoop. Oh God!
Now I'll tell you what must have happened. Architect must have told take 2 feet centering or 1 feet centering or something like that. भाई साहब would have taken 1 feet from the wall. लगा दो बस. आर्किटेक्ट ने बोला है फैन चले नहीं चले उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. फैन लगा दो बस.
And I am trying to think, ठीक है वो contractor ने तो वो construction point दे दिया. Electrician क्या कर रहा था उधर? Why did he fix it there?
बस आर्किटेक्ट ने बोल दिया है कुछ नहीं हो सकता है.
This is when you tell your contractor, "Okay, I want 2 entrances for the house." Every time you have to jump into the window and jump out of the window.
I'm sure the person using this building will be very lean, full fit.
Oh, this is luxury puja. Like you climb into your commode.
So see, this is the least I expect somebody to do from a architecture school. But you know how I would put it across? This is a very creative way of putting your name board. You know,
Oh.
you see?
Perspective view.
Yeah.
Perspective view is new. The person who would have designed this, when you have seen this, instead of, and this is something which your architects do a lot, you'll try to sell the idea to the management, and you would have tried to sell the idea that look, it's perspective. You look from here, it's College of Architecture. If you look from here, it's.
It is basically thinking out of the box. See? Out of the box. So the drawing basically has a dimension marking.
Okay.
That dimension is marked for a column and it is named. The contractor
I thought it was an
has
extra staircase.
literally replicated the dimension line as well.
He's a very good contractor.
Yeah,
Pooja.
very skilled marble guy also, I must say. See the intricacy in the copying pattern.
Angles and all are very parallel, very clean. Good job.
This I call as a, very skilled mason. Matlab, ye cloud, we put this cloud when an architect has to make some comments on that particular area.
Okay.
Some correction, some revision.
Okay.
And that has to be replicated on site. The instruction has to be replicated on site. But this guy has, gone beyond. He's just replicated it as it is. मतलब एक instruction नहीं छोड़ेगा वो paper पे भी instruction नहीं छोड़ेगा.
I can imagine the conversation when the architects come to the site. They're like, the architect sees it and you're like, क्या है ये? And they open the sheet and drawing. You're like, madam, आप ही ने तो बोला था.
Absolutely. I'm just following your instructions.
हाँ मैडम देखो इतना अच्छा आपने सर्कल बोला मैं. exploring.
look at his skill. Look at the corner cloud. One is big, one is small, big, and he has done that.
Perfectly.
Hats off to the mason, man.
Architect the mason will tell you that, मैडम हमको थोड़ी पता चलता है कि आपका डिजाइन है कि क्या है, हमको लगा करना है कर दिया. Oh my god.
I don't know.
See, this was supposed to be a pool. Okay. वो शायद इंचेस को सेंटीमीटर में कर दिया या वैसा कुछ गड़बड़ किया है उसने. And the other one, very nice placement of CCTV camera. I mean, the CCTV company is genius.
No, so there is something happening all the time behind the wall.
Correct. And here Hogwarts. You know, this is entry to Hogwarts. You need to know the secret code to get.
Oh.
I didn't plan this, guys. Next one is escalator to Hogwarts. मतलब इतना सब पोर्टल रेडी है, देखो तुमको मैजिक यूनिवर्स में जाना है तो. Either this was supposed to be higher, you know, it should go to some passageway, or I don't know. I can't think of a reason why someone would do this. Or maybe this is a sample unit which is created for approval.
Oh.
That's-
No, man, you climb. Oh, a tree point. Chalo. Like you said, I can sell anything.
That's how you will sell
Sunset
it.
point.
Sunset point. हाँ. Okay, what is this? I don't know.
This is, I climb down and you know that jadoo, I get out of the wall. I'm you know, invisible, transparent, and I
the
get out of the
staircase
wall.
has no exit.
Exactly. The exit is there beside, but
It requires aerobics. It's designed to keep you fit, Pooja. The person who designed it, what was he thinking? Did he want the door to open to the staircase?
I think he had assumed a additional space of 3 feet.
Okay.
Just got short.
Okay.
Managed with whatever he could, because look at the skill in the wooden staircase
I know,
railings
look,
and all that.
Yeah, are you seeing this? Like full finishing touches of the same sort of laminate and all that stuff.
So I guess he's just here to open the door, experience the stairwell, and get back.
Okay.
So this is for actually a disabled person, but well, they've told the disabled person ki chalo, you try some Olympics, try some roller coaster rides.
How is the disabled person thing? It should be a single slope, right?
Yeah.
And he's given an adventure ride. So creative the architect is.
He doesn't want to disappoint a wheelchair person and doesn't want the wheelchair person to feel any less of a normal human. That's it.
And it looks aesthetically pretty good.
Yeah. Goes with the flow.
Very nice pillar design, very cool look, and then of course it has to go through a pathway.
So again, out of the box thinking and designing. If
I'm
you
sh-
have to pass through this, then you know how you have to go.
And I'm sure the architect would have sold it, or you know, the contractor would have told the client that privacy is milega, madam. Full privacy. Wow. So this was created for ghosts.
Hey, it's a private dining space. You can take the help of the chandelier which is hanging.
How do you jump?
Swing around.
So I play some of these games, you know, like I used to play Prince of Persia. Prince of Persia, maybe we would have areas like this where there would be treasure hidden. So you had to swing with a rope and reach there and maybe get the treasure.
Oh, clearly you can take the treasure, jump, exit, niche likha hi hai.
Wait. Oh wow.
I'm wondering, paise kam ho gaye? Did they run out of money?
No. This is giving visual look and feel. Like this is called packaging your staircase.
Unique. Escalator cum staircase.
Yeah.
Wow.
You
I'll
open
tell
your
you the
thumb.
selling point. Don't get lazy at the mall. You can be fit even in the mall.
Perfect. Oh wow! I'm sure demonetization के टाइम सब लोग हम यही रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करके ही पैसा निकाले थे. वो बंदे ने वहाँ जगह तो दे दिया, जो ATM वाला है जाके वहाँ फिट क्यों किया?
नहीं, it's like पैसे कमाने के लिए मेहनत करना पड़ता है. You know that there's a saying, यार पैसे लेने के लिए भी मेहनत करना पड़ता है.
Oh, I feel like this in a lot of places. For those of you who don't know, I am like 6'3", 6'2", 6'3". So when I walk, I actually feel like this in a lot of places. And I have hit my head so many times and I've got concussed so many times because of stuff like this.
No, but imagine this poor guy is not even getting a chance to hit his head.
Direct.
सीधा face उड़ा दो.
Wow.
कहाँ जाओ.
What is this? ये गलती हुआ कैसे? No, so I'm wondering which came first, and the person who put second, why couldn't he just take 1 second? This is when you have multiple contractors for cost saving.
Oh,
समझ आया?
genius. So I'll tell you how this bridge started.
Okay.
Phase 1, Phase 2.
हाँ.
हम बीच में मिलेंगे.
हाँ.
आते
बस.
नैया डूब गई इनकी.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I don't know कितना एमिंग करना पड़ेगा उस पर्टिकुलर बंदे को.
If he goes there and does and say थोड़ा splash होता है, it's literally like बारिश पर.
नहीं.
The crazy part is every other area looks so well finished with some lights and all. Okay, you tell me how does this happen? You're an architect. Tell me how does.
अरे don't you see there is even rock climbing, the colors.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Climb up.
Damn! But how does this happen?
I don't know. Maybe nobody came to inspect when that fellow may have just थोड़ा पी के चढ़ा के आ गया होगा.
And the crazy thing is not just the urinal which is floating. That means even the plumbing was floating. So the plumbing was actually done up because they probably ran out of pipe. The guy who was installing urinals would have got an instruction. Okay, make sure that you fix it exactly where the plumbing is.
But still, practically the person who would have installed it, थोड़ा तो मतलब.
वो इंस्टॉल किया तो कैसे किया? साला लैडर लेके आके इंस्टॉल करके गया.
दिया तो है क्लाइंब अप.
रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करके वो सब इंस्टॉलेशन हो जाएगा कुछ भी.
So I think he's already thinking चढ़ू तो चढ़ू कैसे, जाऊँ तो जाऊँ कैसे.
ये कैसे होता है समझाओ.
ये जब ऊपर से कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हो और नीचे का भूल जाते हो.
नहीं, नीचे पहुंचते मटेरियल खत्म हो जाता है.
Oh, exactly.
या फिर उसको बोलते हैं कि staircase you have to only make till the brick wall.
No, you just वास्तु के हिसाब से you can only make 19 steps.
हाँ क्या?
20वां स्टेप मत देना, नहीं तो तुम्हें उड़ा दूंगी मैं. Don't give the 20th step. That's it.
This is called जुगाड़.
True. Creativity in woodwork.
हाँ, क्या मस्त
To
कटिंग किया है
accommodate.
देखो. सुपर कटिंग किया है. परफेक्ट कमोड को अकोमोडेट कर लिया इसी जगह में. Oh God! This is basically using Western toilet in Indian version.
Oh yeah. But how do you even get there? Indian में तो कम से कम there is some space around. भाई साहब यहाँ तो you have to be Superman.
No, so you need one hand here, one leg here. You have to be Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man's commode. What?
Is this the extension or is this the actual staircase which leads to nowhere? Or is it just the aesthetics? I don't know. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please do share it with your friends. Let them also get some laughter and do subscribe to our channel.
This is one of the reasons why you should hire architects, structural designers, etc. and make sure that they know what they're doing, and make sure your contractor is listening to them, but not to the dot. If you have any other construction fails which you have experienced, please send it to us at connect@homebanao.com. We'd love to feature it in our next reaction video. Thank you guys.